enguuto eziri kuzakorwa omugombora ya kaswamba hamwe na buhuhira n'orwa kiswamba omukati kitoma orwa rwesande kirabaho Katiri Nyakazinga Mbuga Karambi Kisororo hamwe na n'orwa Mariba Isule.
We are removing the grass, that's the bush clearing, the way you have seen, the way we have started. Then after we are going to shape properly and then put in some what we call offshoots, those drains which take out the water so that the road is drained from the surface, the water is drained from the surface.
Abatura okuruga ombyare ebi nibagira ngo bingi baturene batunga obuhuta hamwe no kuremwa kutwara ibintu byabo omu butare.
Tukabachukera eberimo bekosia pichi yasi yabitinangera mu ngudo netwa tungelosi sitwangasa yabendeka mu maka kusanga ebisubura bitu ebikorweki eberimo byetu byaberana sibeteka mu katali binu wena usana nengudo yitsandire
abantu abantu semuba gonganera hano ahakwikia tunamo merana haboroderera usamalere una hano ampichipichi kanda la hano neka yateka ndi asere hano hawo haboroderera.
Lieutenant Joel Warutsimbi RDC wa Kasese nagira ngo bine kwegendesereza batakakora emirimo y'ekishobobo.
We never be enough, of course. Use that money, but show that we must look, see value for money. Value for money should be seen. Yeah. So you continue as the leaders planned. They get more, you continue with more kilometers. So let me take this opportunity to commission this road to be constructed for God and my country.
And we are saying we want quality work. That's why we have engaged the local people, Chairperson 0C1, the Chairperson 0C3, and the Sub-County Chief and the Wanainji to be the monitors of the project, so that they keep on updating us on the progress of the road.
Erefazi Muhindi chairman RC5 wa Kasese nagira ngo batungire miliyoni zindi gana ezibarakorese ezindi nguuto.
But we are happy that the government allocated us funds to construct the road now. We are very happy that people can now access the health centers which are in this state. They can access the market and other areas. They can take their goods to the market.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.